So ERP is basically what? The ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Fine. But nowadays, if we talk about many companies, many big organizations are going for this ERP. Many big organizations are going for using ERP. Why basically the companies are going for ERP, right? So ERP has a many benefit. The first benefit that ERP is based on the single database. Single database means, let's say for example, I have an organization, and in my organization, let's say I have a HR department, I have sales department, I have marketing department, I have a customer department. So now my requirement is that if I am doing any transaction in sales and I'm doing any transaction in marketing or customer, so if I want to see their segregate report, okay, so that is easier in ERP because as it is based on a single database, so whatever transaction you do in any one of these department, everything is going to be stored in the one database only. So if you want to make a report or you want to represent those data in the report form, so that would be easier for you because you don't need to move from one software to another software. By using the same software, you can perform it. Second thing is it provides you the integrated environment. Now what I mean by integrated environment, let's say for example, I have sales and I have customers. Okay. Now in customers I create one new customer. Now whenever I create one new customer, so I want that okay, if I'm going to do any sales transaction, so in sales transaction automatically I'll get the list of all the customers I have already created. So that thing is possible. Why? Because in ERP the things or the department which are related with each other, like sales is related with customer, purchase is related with the vendor, and whenever we do sales and purchase transaction, it is related with our inventory. So what we want that whatever department which are related with each other, they should also related in our software also. So that is by default provided in the ERP. So you don't need to do anything with that. It is already integrated. You can just use it. And as it is integrated in single database, so it makes our work fast and save the time. Okay. So these are the some benefits of ERP because of what most of the companies are moving to ERP application. Now what is AX? The Dynamics AX which we have, that you can call it the Dynamics AX, or you can call it as the Dynamics 365 operations, anything. Okay. And this is what? This is a ERP. This is clear?